Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to walk you through how to use Perplexity AI, and it will be a step-by-step video. Even if you are a complete beginner, this might be helpful for you. So whether you are using it for research, content creation, or just to get quick answer, Perplexity is like Google plus ChatGPT combined, and it is totally free. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, you need to understand what is Perplexity AI. So basically, Perplexity AI is an AI powered search and answer engine. Unlike regular search engine, it gives you direct answer using AI along with real-time citation. It combines chat style interaction with up-to-date search from the internet. You can ask questions, you can do deep research, you can do summarize article also, and you can compare products between or using this Perplexity AI. Then you can do find citation all in one place. It is available on Perplexity AI, and they also have mobile apps. So how you can access this Perplexity AI? So it is really simple. So without creating any account, you are allowed to use this Perplexity account in your desktop. But if you want to use it properly, then I will mention you to create an account over here, so it will never give you any problem. So it is really simple to create an account in Perplexity. You just need to be signed in or create an account. So here you can see you can do it manually, like providing your email address, then just click on continue, or you can do it with continue with Google option. So I'm going with this continue with Google option. It is really simple and easy. Just you need to be visit on go to Perplexity AI, then you can start searching instantly or sign in with Google or email for better history and pro features. On the home page you will see a search bar, a suggest prompt, then trending topics, and let's try it out. So next you just need to be, let's give you a practical one. Just click on continue with Google, then they will give you the options to here to select your mail. I am selected it, and then just click on continue, and your account has been created, and now you can use your Perplexity. So here you can see you can download from Mac, Windows, download on mobile, or join with wait list. So I'm going to click on continue. Now you can see this is the eventual result. So once you're done, now you can ask question and getting answer from Perplexity. Like you can ask any question. Let's ask for the Perplexity why I need to use this Perplexity AI. Let's see what they give us the answer. And here you can see why you should use Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI stands out as a next generation search and research assistant that combines the best feature of a search engine, research tool, and conversational AI. Here's why you might want to use it. First, accurate answer, not just links, real-time and reliable information, user-friendly and ad-free experience, versatile use cases, then advanced feature and power users, no more information overload, privacy and transparency. This is the main factor. In summary, you can say Perplexity AI is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to fast-sighted and accurate answer real-time information without ad, easy to use conversational research. So as you can see, then they are giving us the option to select further more options like questions. So I'm going to ask another question, that will be, what's the difference between ChatGPT and Gemini AI? Let's search it, and Perplexity will generate a concise answer, then provide citation from real website, then let you click to verify source, then suggest follow-up questions. As you can see, they provide us the link over here. So it's sometimes really helpful for us. Or also you can switch between concise, detail, and creative response modes, then click view source to dig deeper. It's like doing Google research but 10x faster and summarize. So I hope you understand what is the difference between Perplexity AI and between other additional artificial intelligence. So here you can use threads for deep research. Like threads are like conversational style research option. After your first question, click a follow-up questions or ask a new one. Perplexity remember context, allowing for more accurate and detailed response. You can rename or save threads for later in Perplexity. So how you can do it? Just click on this dot button, and here you can see we have couple of options. Export as PDF, why I need this to use, you can access, or you can add it as a thread. Then this is super useful for academical research, planning a trip, learning new topics, and compare tools or products. So let's go ahead with user collection or using collection. So collection help you organize useful information to create a collection. Like click the star icon on any answer or thread. Here you will find out this star icon. Let's scroll down, and here you will find out this one, pro search, then helpful, copy, or a couple of options here we have. So you just need to be study note. Like you can add a new existing collection. Access is later from the left menu collection. The left menu you will find out the collection. Here you can see this is the plus button, and you can add new thread, and also we have couple of other options, academic, travel, and finance. So this way you can use these collection options. Now let's talk about the using Perplexity Pro optional. So if you want to use the Pro version, you are allowed to do it. Perplexity also offers Pro feature with GPT-4 and cloud integration. With Perplexity Pro, you will get access to multiple AI models like GPT-4, Cloud, and Mistral. It is better long form answer and code generation, also more reasoning power and priority access and support. Like Pro is start from $20 monthly, but the free version is still powerful for most users. So next we are going to talk about the extension and mobile app. Perplexity also offer browser extension for Chrome and Firefox to search faster while browsing. So here you can see I am going to search Perplexity extension. Let's search it, and here you will find out this extension for using Chrome. There you can add a mobile app, like if you are using iOS and Android for on to go answer, you can use Perplexity. You can also ask voice question, then scan our face or scan articles to summarize, sync history across device. It's like having a research assistant on your pocket. So I hope you understand why you need to be use this Perplexity, or you can explore these two features like discover, why you need to be understand about discover. Here you will find out articles, then you have space options, you can create space for you. So let's recap what we covered throughout the video. First of all, we talk about what is Perplexity AI and how to ask a smart question. Third, using threads for in-depth research. Then saving info with collections. 6, exploring Perplexity Pro features. In the last, using extension and the mobile app. Let's give you some tips, like tips to get the most out of it. That ask clear specific questions, explore cited source, use collection to stay organized, and try follow-up prompts for deeper learning. So if you found out this video is really helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite use case for Perplexity AI. Thanks for watching and happy researching.